Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an unexpected yet fascinating topic: how baking soda can improve circulation and intimacy after the age of 63. You might be thinking, baking soda? Really? But trust me, this pantry staple is a hidden gem when it comes to your health, especially as we age. We'll explore 5 different ways this common household item can help unblock veins and enhance your intimate life. We're talking about feeling more energetic, improving blood flow, and even spicing things up in the bedroom. Now, I'm not promising miracles here, but the potential benefits of baking soda might just surprise you. So, if you're ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you, stick around. We're about to uncover the power of baking soda. Now, let's talk about circulation. It's a vital process that keeps our bodies functioning, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell and removing waste products. Without proper circulation, our organs and tissues can't perform at their best. As we age, it's common for our circulation to become a little sluggish. This can be due to a variety of factors, including a decrease in physical activity, changes in blood vessel elasticity, and even dietary habits. This can lead to a whole host of issues, from cold hands and feet to fatigue and even more serious problems. Poor circulation can also contribute to muscle cramps, numbness, and a general feeling of lethargy. But what if I told you that something as simple as baking soda could help get your blood pumping more efficiently? Yes, that common household item sitting in your pantry might just be the key to better circulation. You see, baking soda has this incredible ability to neutralize acids. It's often used as a remedy for heartburn and indigestion because it can balance the pH levels in your stomach. And one of the major culprits behind poor circulation is actually acidity in the body. When our bodies become too acidic, it can lead to inflammation and constriction of blood vessels. When your body's pH is out of whack, it can create an environment where your blood vessels constrict, making it harder for blood to flow freely. This constriction can cause a ripple effect, impacting your overall health and well-being. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to water your garden with a hose that's all kinked up. The water struggles to get through, right? The same thing happens with your blood vessels when they're constricted. The water struggles to get through, right? This analogy perfectly illustrates the challenge your circulatory system faces when your blood vessels are not in optimal condition. That's similar to what happens with your blood vessels when they're constricted. The flow of blood is impeded, which can lead to a variety of health issues, including increased blood pressure and reduced oxygen delivery to tissues. Baking soda acts like a sort of dekinker for your blood vessels. By neutralizing excess acid, it helps to relax and dilate those vessels, allowing your blood to flow more smoothly and efficiently. By neutralizing excess acid, it helps to relax and dilate those vessels, allowing your blood to flow more smoothly and efficiently. This improved blood flow means that more oxygen and nutrients can reach your cells, giving you more energy and vitality. This means more oxygen and nutrients can reach your cells, giving you more energy and vitality. But that's not all. Enhanced circulation can also improve your overall cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Improved circulation also means better delivery of white blood cells, which are your body's natural defense system. These cells are crucial for fighting off infections and keeping your immune system strong. This can be especially important as we get older and our immune systems aren't quite as robust as they used to be. A stronger immune system means fewer illnesses and a better quality of life. So, by simply incorporating a little baking soda into your routine, you could be giving your circulatory system a much-needed boost, leading to a whole range of health benefits. From increased energy to a stronger immune system, the advantages are clear. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the topic of blocked veins. Blocked veins, or more specifically blocked arteries, are a significant health concern, especially as we age. They can lead to a range of serious health issues, including heart attacks and strokes, which are among the leading causes of death worldwide. This is a common concern as we age, and it can lead to some serious health problems if left unchecked. Regular checkups and a healthy lifestyle are crucial in managing this risk. But what if there was a simple, natural way to support your cardiovascular health? But the good news is that baking soda might just be able to lend a helping hand here too. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a common household item that has been used for various health benefits for centuries. You see, blocked veins often occur due to a buildup of plaque in the arteries. This plaque can restrict blood flow, leading to increased blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. This plaque is made up of cholesterol, fat, and other substances that can harden and narrow the arteries, restricting blood flow. Over time, this can lead to a condition known as atherosclerosis, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Baking soda, with its alkalizing properties, can actually help to break down this plaque buildup. When consumed in small, controlled amounts, it can help to neutralize the acids in your body, which in turn can prevent the hardening of arteries. It's like a natural cleaning agent for your arteries, helping to clear out the gunk and restore proper blood flow. This can improve your overall cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Now, it's important to note that I'm not suggesting you ditch your doctor's advice or any prescribed medications. Baking soda should be seen as a complementary approach, not a replacement for professional medical treatment. Always consult with your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your health regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs and conditions. However, incorporating baking soda into your routine, under the guidance of your doctor, could be a valuable tool in your arsenal for maintaining healthy blood flow and preventing those pesky blocked veins. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and routine medical checkups are key components of a healthy lifestyle. Baking soda can be an additional, natural aid in your journey to better cardiovascular health. Chapter 3. Enhancing Intimacy After 63, The Baking Soda Secret. Let's talk about a topic that often gets swept under the rug as we age: intimacy. It's something that many people feel uncomfortable discussing, but it's a natural and important part of life, no matter your age. Now, I know this can be a sensitive subject, but it's important to address because a healthy and fulfilling intimate life is a vital part of overall well-being at any age. Intimacy fosters connection, reduces stress, and can even improve physical health. And you guessed it, baking soda can play a role here too. This humble kitchen staple has more uses than you might think. Remember how we talked about baking soda's ability to improve circulation? Good circulation is key to many aspects of health, including intimacy. Well, that includes circulation to all parts of the body, if you catch my drift. Enhanced blood flow can make a significant difference in your intimate life. Improved blood flow is essential for both men and women when it comes to intimacy. It helps in achieving and maintaining physical readiness and responsiveness. For men, it can help with achieving and maintaining, this can lead to more confidence and a better overall experience, and for women it can increase sensitivity and enhance pleasure. But that's not all. A balanced, intimate life can also lead to emotional closeness and a stronger bond with your partner. Baking soda can also help to balance pH levels, which is crucial for a healthy vaginal environment. A balanced pH can prevent discomfort and promote overall intimate health. An imbalance in pH can lead to discomfort, dryness, and even increase the risk of infections. Maintaining the right pH balance is essential for comfort and health. Now, I'm not saying that baking soda is some kind of miracle aphrodisiac. It's not a magic bullet, but it can be a helpful tool in maintaining intimate health. But by promoting healthy blood flow and pH balance, it can certainly contribute to a more enjoyable and satisfying intimate experience. So don't underestimate the power of baking soda in enhancing your intimate life after 63. Chapter 4. Baking soda, a boost for your heart. Health. Let's talk about heart health, a topic that becomes increasingly important as we age. Your heart is an incredible organ, working tirelessly to pump blood throughout your body. And just like any other part of your body, it needs a little TLC to stay in tip-top shape. Now, where does baking soda fit into all of this? Well, remember how we discussed its ability to regulate blood pressure? High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping it in check is crucial. But that's not all. Baking soda can also help to lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is another culprit behind heart disease, as it can contribute to that plaque buildup in your arteries that we talked about earlier. By incorporating baking soda into your routine, you could be giving your heart a helping hand in staying healthy and strong for years to come. Of course, always consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any pre-existing heart conditions. Chapter 5. Simple baking soda recipe for better circulation and more. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I actually use baking soda to reap these amazing benefits? Well, I'm about to share a simple yet effective recipe with you. But first, a word of caution. Always start with a small amount of baking soda and gradually increase it as needed. Too much baking soda can upset your stomach, so it's important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Here's what you'll need. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 8 ounces of water. Simply mix the baking soda into the water until it's fully dissolved, and drink it on an empty stomach, preferably first thing in the morning. You can do this once or twice a day. Now remember, this is just a general guideline. It's always best to consult with your healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for your individual needs. Outrow! Unlock your health potential with baking soda. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about how to take care of your body, the better equipped you'll be to live a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Now I want to emphasize that the information shared in this video is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It's always essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your health regimen. So, go ahead and give baking soda a try. You might just be surprised at the positive impact it can have on your health and well-being. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the amazing world of natural remedies.